So we're out here at this house today installing this 5-stage reverse osmosis water filter. This one has the filter bodies and a tank as well, and some pretty hideous plumbing underneath here, but that's for another video. But we're going to go through and show you step by step what you need to do to get this installed. So the first step is going to be to locate the cold water valve. I've got the shutoff right here for the cold water, and I have shut this off and unscrewed the line from the top, and then I Teflon taped the new valve and the old valve and got that installed and hooked my water line up on the top, and then I also just plugged in my water feed line for the filters. Put the valve on first and then put the line going to the faucet on, so we'll do that, get that tightened up. Let me hook my line up on the top here. Alright, so got that tightened up there. Let's turn this on and see if we have any leaks. So far so good. I need a 1/4 inch bit. I'm going to get that ready, and I'm going to drill my hole to put the drain saddle on. Okay, I got that all taken care of. Got the drain saddle put on. You can just see that it lines up with the hole there, and comes with a little foam gasket that is kind of a peel and stick. So you just stick that on there, tighten these screws up just to make sure you tighten them evenly till it's snug, and then move on to the next step. Alright, so I got my washer stacked on here the way that I need to, and I pre-Teflon taped my pipe. We'll get that set in here, and then I'm going to go underneath and get that all tightened up. Okay, now that we have the faucet all hooked up, we're going to move on to the lines and putting the valve on the tank itself. Little Teflon tape on the top, we'll put that valve on, and then all your lines are color coded, so we'll get those all snapped into place. Make sure you push it until it fully seats. I've got my drain line up here. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this through there, get the hose fully inserted, and then I will tighten up right here. Okay, the tank's next. Last one is gonna go to the faucet, which is hiding in the back here. Okay, so I've got all my lines hooked up, so now I am going to pull out these little plugs that they came pre-installed with, and I'm going to hook up my lines. It's nice that on this one they actually color code everything, so that makes it really simple. So I'm going to push that in there for my supply. When you remove these, you have to hold the little ring in order to pull those out. Just hold that. There we go. Alright, my last two connections. I've got my blue that goes to the faucet. One goes to the tank. Okay, it's all hooked up. I am going to flip on the valve and we will test for leaks, see if we can let some water out. Okay, well, we've got everything hooked up. It's been running for a while. I've had the water on, no leaks. I'm not going to mount any of this in here. Normally you would want to, attach that to the wall, but I have to redo some plumbing and everything under there, so I'm just going to leave that sit. But we have really nice water flow. This was the higher output system, and so really impressed with that, and super easy install.